So let's begin. This is the first official episode of Showcase Sunday. I, Last week was the unofficial episode. Just trying to come up with the name of what I was going to name it. I came up with the name of Showcase Sunday, where I'll be showcasing somebody's brand. So if you like do music, art, got merchandise. If you got merchandise, hit me up on Instagram. I'm willing to buy it. I don't want anything given to me for free. This is just where I'm gonna showcase, support, salute somebody who's out there doing their thing and people that I rock with. Cause it costs, like I said, it costs $0 to support people. So let's begin. If y'all don't know, y'all should already know who is going to get the first official episode. So let's begin.
Dummy retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the tires bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the stand.
So if y'all didn't know, now y'all know. The first person who gets the first official episode, man, look at it. Subscribe to his YouTube. Follow him on Instagram. Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Lucky Wheels and Deals gets the first official episode of Showcase Sunday because he showed me off on his channel and he's the one that put me on. So without Lucky's Wheels and Deals, there's no JJ's Cars and Advice. So I want anybody that's not following him or subscribe to him right now, go over there to his channel. The link will be in the description. Go subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals on Instagram, Lucky Wheels and Deals on Facebook. He started a Facebook group, Lucky's Wheels and Deals on YouTube. Go make sure you follow and subscribe because without, like I'm gonna say this again, without Lucky's Wheels and Deals, there's no JJ's Cars and Advice. He's the one that told me to get started. He's the one that put me on. He's the one that put me in videos. I owe much of the success to this channel to him. Like I said, I'm gonna say this again. He put me on. He the one told me to start. I was dropping videos. He put me in there. He shared me on his channel. Which cost him $0. He supported me. Even when he didn't have to support me, he supported, put me on the channel, let me on. I got to show people what I do, and without him, there's no luck. Without Lucky's Wheels and Deals, I'm gonna say this again. Without Lucky's Wheels and Deals, there's no JJ's Cars and Advice. So I want y'all guys to go over there. Make sure y'all subscribe again. Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you go like his channel. Make sure you subscribe. Turn the notification bell on. Make sure you follow him on Instagram. Like I said, I'm gonna say this one more time. Without Lucky's Wheels and Deals, there's no JJ's Cars and Advice. So, because I don't think I would have even started my channel. Like he was grinding, doing his thing, and he kept telling me to start. And then so I was just like, hey, I might as well kick it off and start. He's been in some of my videos. I've been in some of his videos. He didn't put my link in the description. And without Lucky's Wheels and Deals, there's no meeting Logic. There's no meeting Itwit. There's no meeting Really Rails, ZTRD. There's no meeting the people that's joined up to the membership. It's not me meeting any of you guys and building those connections without Lucky's Wheels and Deals. So I want y'all to go over there and show him as much support and all the support he deserves it. Like, man, he's a great dude. Man, I can't really say much more about it, man. He put me on. I'm gonna say he put me on. I know a lot of people don't like to say, oh, this person put me on, or don't want to show that respect. They be like, oh, I did it all on my own. And no, I don't know many people that really just does it on their own. He's out there, he's grinding, he stayed doing his thing. He put me on, so like I said, he gets the first official episode, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe. Again, Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Because I got to meet with, starting his YouTube channel. I met a lot of the subscribers and people that signed up to my membership that I talk to on a weekly basis, man. Great people that I met, and those without Lucky kickstarting me and putting me on this channel and stuff like that. I'm not able to meet these people. I'm not able to build these connections to help out. I would have still been out there buying cars and stuff like that because that's what I do. I'm a car dealer, so I would have still been out there, but I wouldn't have got into the YouTube space without Lucky. So he gets the first official video of the Showcase Sunday, man. Nobody else was getting this video, man. I did the unofficial one, but he was getting the first official one because without him, there's no JJ's Cars and Advice. So I'm gonna keep saying that. So so like I said, go make sure you follow him. Go grab some merch. Follow his channel, man. He's always out there on the grind, man. He's dropping videos after videos after videos. Go check out his page. Hey, and if you have like, if you do music, if you have like artwork, if you got merchandise, hit me up on Instagram. Let me know. Share your music with me. I'll be happy to share it on my channel. It'll come on one of these Sundays. If you got merchandise, I'm happy to pay for it. I'll get it, and then I'll dedicate a day for you guys. If you got a YouTube channel, let me know, and I'll be eventually come together on Sunday. But that's all I got for this video. Like, once again, make sure you go subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals. I'm out. I ain't Lucky's Wheels and Deals, but I'm jjscars&advice. Make sure I go subscribe to Lucky's Wheels and Deals. But I'm out. Yee.